Hey Copper Nerds, we got a fun unboxing today from my friend Nathan Markowitz, and I'm going to go ahead and spoil the surprise. It's all Gallery Mint Museum replicas, so let's get into it. I really enjoy my Gallery Mint stuff. Some of it is sitting right there at the top of the screen. As you may be aware from my previous videos, Gallery Mint Museum was run by Ron Landis, and he was the engraver of all of the replicas, which were essentially his interpretation of what these coins would have looked like had he been an engraver at the Mint. Ron died several months ago, and the replicas are getting a little harder to find. If you've had interest in a Gallery Mint replica, I would suggest that you pounce on them now. We've talked about my friend Solomon, which is 11111 Aspen, 51's Aspen, over on eBay. He's got usually several nice examples of all these in his inventory. And there's other sellers out there as well. So what did I get from Nathan? I got a Fugio scent for myself. That thing is sweet. Probably gonna leave it just like this. I'm not gonna even take it out. I got a New Jersey. This will be going to my son who is into colonials and New Jerseys in particular. Cool. We got a neat little 1793 half cent. I will likely never own an authentic one, so having this Gallery Mint replica is a lot of fun. And two more here. The first being this weird little 1817 over 14 overdate. I'll make sure we get some photos inserted after I'm done talking. And the one I was really after, a 1793 Liberty Cap. And this is the second style. I have the first style, which Ron called the ugly head. This one is a much, much nicer depiction, I think. So I will add in the photo montage that follows this one next to the one that is definitely ugly. All right, let's pop out this one here real quick, because I want to show you the reverse, or as it is, the other obverse. There we go. Around like that. Okay. Here we have 1815 on one side, which did not exist from the Mint. The Mint never produced a large cent in 1815. The classic heads stop at the 1814 date, although there's two varieties of 1814. The second one was actually struck in 1816. And I was told today that for a lot of years, the Mint wouldn't confirm or deny whether there was 1815 large cents struck, and collectors looked for them for a long time until it was finally confirmed that there were none. This one is an 1817 over 14. That is interesting. That has the, so that's our kind of classic head design from the cents. And then this would be like the $50 for sure, like a bust half depiction. So that's kind of an interesting oddity. That's what I got from Nathan. So why don't I go ahead and wrap this up, and I'll throw in a bunch of photos at the end, but thanks for checking this quick one out. This is sort of me going after the last of the Gallery Mint varieties that I've been looking for, other than a chain scent. If you have a Gallery Mint chain scent that you'd be willing to sell me, market price-ish, reach out and let me know. I'd like to get one. Anyway, thanks for checking this one out. I will catch you guys in the comments. That's not how I usually say it. And I will also catch you on the next one. Peace.